Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, November 18th. So what's going on? Well, Cloudflare is down. So half the internet's not working correctly. And so Forex Factory would not populate. And neither did Bloomberg's economic calendar. So Found Trading Economics, who also has a calendar. So here's the calendar. What do we got going on? 8:55, we had Redbook year over year. At 10 a.m., we've got factory orders month over month. Also at 10 a.m., we have the housing market index. 10 a.m., factory orders, X transportation. 10:30, we had Fed Bar speaking. And at 4:30, a bunch of API numbers for oil, stock change, ADP, unemployment weekly, and then it looks like they're trying to do export prices. You'll see that you can't really see that, but that's September. Export prices October. These are all reports that were during the shutdown. I think they're trying to get out here after 4:30. So import prices, export prices for October and September. There's a whole bunch of numbers that looks like they're trying to bring out that are September, October, and August numbers that may be coming out later after the market closes at 4:30. So we'll have to wait and see if this is actually correct. So is what it is. Looking at charts, yesterday had a down day on above average volume. We're getting a cluster of volume here on these three big days down. We've had 3 days down. So that question is are we going to be a fourth, or is this going to come back up and be a green day? Because the market loves 3s, 5s, 7s, and 12s. So we could be on our way to a 5-day move, or this could be a rally day to complete the 3-day cycle there. That being said, where could it go? I think it easily tests the lows from 1017, which were right around 65.71-ish. I think that's definitely on the board. And the low from October 10th, also 65.40. So there you have it there. Volume is good. This is a little bit concerning. It certainly looks like the selling may not be over. Okay, moving on to the inventory. Inventory was negative on negative price action. That is normal. That's the way it should be. Only 7,600 shares, or I should say contracts to the negative. I kind of expected that number to be a bit higher, but again, lots of buy the dip folks jumping in here trying to do their best to pull this thing up. We'll see if they are successful or not. They have been successful over the last couple of years, and we'll just see if that pattern continues to materialize and work. I am very skeptical, as you know. When it doesn't work, it's going to be ugly. Overnight action, approximately 73 points overnight. That is well above average. Average is about 22 to 25, so that's like 3 times average. Where do we have support and resistance? We've got some resistance up here at 67.23, 67.41, 67.50, the whole number. Yes, 67.60. Also support. We've got some support at 66.35, 66.20ish, 66.10, 6600. Basically every 10 points as you go down. That is just the way it looks. I don't know what to tell you other than be careful, because today could be that reversal day that is really, it gaps down and rips to the upside, or it could be really ugly going back and testing the lows from prior days, prior weeks. So that is the story. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 57.1 0.1% chance the market will be up. There you have it. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.